need a nasty bucket. Right on. So yeah, I thought this said 1979, the year. It was 1979, the hours on it, because this thing was made in 2002 or 2004. So it's definitely not. It's definitely not what I thought it was. Get in here. Yeah. Glow. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 250 hour. 250 hour. 250. It said 1979. Got fuel, cold, traction lock override. Oh, 2208, 2202.8. 2202. So 2203 basically, because it's 0.8. Woohoo! So calculator 2203 minus 1979 equals 224. That's cool. Alrighty, so we're done with the Yoda and on to the Bobcat-ness. So I did some checking, and yeah, this is good for 500 hours. We got all this stuff, you might as well just change it. Might as well just change it. Bobcat. It catches you through. No, that's not it. Let's try the big one. I love these strap wrenches when they work. Yeah, that was a facetious laugh, because sometimes they don't work. Come on, what are you doing? Okay. Oh, that's satisfying. Yeah, it came right out of there. Oh, that looks like that one. It doesn't say Bobcat on it though. It says Pure Force. Throw this on the table. Get some fluge on it. Some hydraulic fluid on it. Yeah, that'll work. A little bit of oil on that seal. They got this nice little drip tray here. Let's see if we need it. All right, a little bit. Not too bad. Ah, you know what? As long as we're here, we might as well just fill this one up. Then we won't lose the capacity. Hydrostatic fluged. I know this is the hydro one up here. Yeah, the dogs are in there. I like to keep it Yeah, my critters. My critters. Check it out, man. As soon as I change the filter, that's why it was hard starting. That's why. It was trying to suck through that plugged up filter. The second I changed that thing, it fired right up, man.
Oh, that's awesome. Finally worked.
Yeah. I still want to do a tune-up on it, but it's good for now. Put this back on there like that. Give it a little ooga dooga. That's good enough. And then we're gonna write on it with a red. Figures it's red, right? Too funny. I wonder if that'll even show up. 2, 5. Oh, what was it? No, it was 2203. Yeah. Yeah, I should probably get a black marker for that. Shows up a little bit better. I'm funny. But yeah, that fluid lasts a long time. Lasts 1,000 hours on the fluid. Standard Bobcat fare. Get this out of the way. See if we can get it. See if we can get it with the little guy. Come on. Come on. Strap wrench.
Oh, yeah. Oh, those are the best, right?
Yeah, when they work. Yeah, there we go. Good old strap wrench to the rescue. Sweet. Sweet Venus. Oh yeah, she's dark. She's empty. Just get a little bit of that on there. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Give it a little bit of love with the little wrench. That's good. And then this is the fuel. Obviously, we're not going to change the fuel. Get this guy on there. Should be able to get that off with the little wrench. Ooh, she's on there. Hoofta. Get this under there, catch any diesel that comes out. Hoofta. And I'm just gonna fill this one up with the clean diesel. Yeah, there's no particulate or nothing in there, because these things need to be primed sometimes. If you don't, even just breaking into the system like this can cause. That's why there's this bleeder screw here. We're gonna need to prime this thing up. Save the best for last. Okay. Make sure the water drain is fine. In and out. Yeah. And I believe you just press this primer bulb. Get the thing primed up again. Yeah. Squeeze this primer. And then we will get that bleed off. And then we'll change the air filter tray. The filth tray. All our garbage back. Little garbage bag. There we go. Oh yeah. Yeah, she's dirty. She needed a change. And this is the filter we opened up yesterday and tried to put in the old Toyota over there with the tornado fins on it. Let's get in there. Let's give it a wipe down. Nice clean diesel rag here. Oh, there's another filter that goes in the middle. There's like wow, there's a secondary filter in there. Didn't get that one. Knock it out, see what it looks like, and then I'll be able to I'll pick this up the next time I go over to that forklift place. I doubt if it's dirty though. The other one did a pretty good job. Come on, little wingnut. Okay, let's get this guy out of here. Look at that, that's cute. No, she's clean. Just wanted it out of the way so I get my hand in here. I see a little bit of debris in the back. Yeah, nice. Yeah. And then put it back. It's a Deborah Winger. It's a Kip Winger. Remember Winger? Whatever happened to those guys? I think they still rock. Okay, like that. I'm gonna put in our tornado. Extra 5 horsepower because of the tornado. Get that centered on the wing nut. Tight enough. Hey, I could write on this one. 2203. 2203. March. It's almost March. 2024. There we go. Jeff. Okay. Jeff Tech. Jeff Tech was here. Shh, don't tell anybody. Whoa, let's clean. Let's wipe that off. It's a little bit dirty. Wingnut fever. Wingnut fever. I'll even give you a new little cover guy. Wingnut fever. I got wingnut fever. See, they even give you a new Mr. Gaskets, rubberized. That's nice. Neat. She's a bit dusty in here, old diesel. Kubota. Like Abe Kubota. Put that on up and down like that. That doesn't gather any debris. Starter's huge. And then this is where you drain the oil. I'm gonna go get some oil. Drain it. And that was your basic service interval. 500-hour service interval on a Bobcat S175. Now I got something really cool I want to show you. Shh. Yeah, you guys see what I'm looking at? It looks like a big block Chrysler. I'm not sure, but yeah, this is our next. They don't need this for the facility, but I want to get it running for me. Big old standby generator. Cool, huh? Yeah, look at that. I'm gonna have to do some research on that. That's definitely a big block. And with the 1873652 firing order, that's interesting too. That's got to be a Chrysler engine. I'm gonna have to do some research on this. It says 133786 A1, and then there's some other numbers over here on the top of the head. But look at that brute. It looks like it's got a Chevy alternator on it. Big old direct fan. The belts look pretty nasty. Straight exhaust. Going right up outside. Boop. Out that hole.
How can I help you?
Just enjoying this thing over here.
This?
Yeah.
Oh, this needs work.
That's got.
This is natural gas, eh? But it's leaking antifreeze.
Oh, we need a new water pump.
Yeah, or something like that. Yeah.
What is that, a Chrysler big block?
I have no idea.
It looks like a Chrysler because of the intake on it.
Yeah. I don't know how many kilowatts it is.
100,000 watts.
Holy shit. Yeah,
I think that thing is just cool. I want to get that thing running just for me.
okay, well,
Just for my own personal poops and giggles.
I'll pay you to do it too.
Right on.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll get that sucker running.
Okay. That's great.
And that big huge tank outside is what feeds it?
You mean this big tank over here?
Yeah, that big huge tank.
Oh, you know what that is?
What's that?
That was, at first it was for CO2.
Oh.
And then after that they changed it into water storage. That's a water tank.
That's a water tank, that big tank next to the...
Fucking huge.
Well, it's parked right next to a fire truck, so it makes sense.
Yeah, speaking of that, I gotta get the fire truck done too.
Yeah, so let's go take a look at that.
Right now?
Yeah, it stopped raining for a minute. So that's my two other projects, man. I want to get that running. I want to find out what it is, first of all. Get that one running.
Got it, the fire truck running, and so I I didn't really start it up for a few months. And then I went to fucking this way. That was the fire truck. Yeah, that's the fucking water.
Okay.
Yeah, we're flooding.
So look at this, you guys. What year is this, Don?
1979.
1979. Sunshine Valley fire truck. How cool is that?
Yeah, so.
How cool is that? Oh,
yeah.
That's neat.
Yeah, you just get this sucker running.
Man.
Break 19, good buddy of mine. Come on now.
Come on back.
Yeah, the speakers work, all the lights and sirens work.
You got 2 radios.
Yeah.
This is cool.
Oh yeah, this is.
Yeah, buddy.
From Sunshine Valley. And it had 37,000 kilometers on it when I got it.
You're kidding.
No, it's kilometers.
35.
Oh, so okay, then I had 34. I didn't put my. I drove it in parades. I drove it in the Gay Pride Parade 3 times, and the Marijuana March, and I brought it out to the 420 event.
This is cool.
Yeah, and this 4 on the floor.
Yeah.
It's a beauty.
Gotta love it.
I love it. Yeah, that's my machine.
What engine's in this thing?
You know what? It's a gas pod. I think it's a 700 series. I can't remember what it is, but
I'm thinking Ford. It's probably a 460 big block.
yeah, well, it's got a lot of power.
Nice.
I don't even start in first. I always start in second.
Yeah, first is like granny gear.
Yeah, this guy going up the side of the mountain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is cool, Don.
So anyway,
I want to get this thing running. Yeah.
Down the freeway and coming back from an event, lit her up all the way, sirens, lights, everything.
Nice.
On the freeway it does about 80 kilometers an hour, and that's it. After that, it starts loping.
Yeah.
And then the other thing too is I was double clutching, shifting, and smoking pot at the same time while I was driving.
You got to. That's cool.
Oh fuck yeah.
That's
so
cool.
Yeah. So we get, when the weather's nicer, we'll get this puppy running.
Hell yeah.
And I get a permit to drive it for the day, right?
Yeah.
We can take it for a run, spin,
Right.
everybody's gonna wave.
Yeah, this thing is cool. Yeah, we're gonna definitely get this thing running because it's way too cool to just not to yeah.
We'll put the Weeds logo on the side.
Yeah.
Get it tuned up.
That is neat.
Yeah, right there. So somebody fucked up with the air cleaner, so I don't have an air cleaner, but I'd like to get one on there.
Oh, I want to put a bag or something over that right away.
Yeah.
Get that covered up.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's jump up here. Oh, it's got the foot. You see, you get this choke closed. That'd be cool. Yeah. There we go. I got the choke to close.
You can pull the choke in here.
Yeah, pull the choke in for me, would you? Give it a little yankaroonie. Okay, that's perfect. So yeah, we got the choke to close. Pop this on there. You know, just a little protection. That's all.
Yeah. Good idea. Great idea.
But yeah, what's it say over here? Nomenclature. It is. I can't read it. I'm just gonna take a picture of the nomenclature on here. Alrighty. Yeah, buddy. Just, is that cool? Is that thing just straight up cool? Yeah, we're gonna get that running. Put a piece of tape. 2203 on March 2024 JT. So that way I wrote on the tape, not on the vehicle. Look at my kittens. Yeah, there's the kids. Hi, kiddos. Good babies. Yeah. All right, you guys, it's been a crazy rainy day. Got a couple jobs accomplished, and thanks for coming.